at the club, we gone again. Yeah, yeah, well, black, girl, them fat, go on, bad when the tune them drop. One just
Stand them up. BT a what style them go. Information coming. Hold on. Yo, we promote that one here. Icebox 101. Jing and Big Mary. See that, you know, say, bring a little party. Back party style. Booze up. You see me? And I'm mad thing. Sausage here in the water. Hold on. Yo. Information, check in. Check. Hold it. Sedo. Yo, Sedo. Yes, a family. That one you shot. That one you gone. A whisper. Clippers. Few clippers parking lot. Clippers, few. Not too few. Parking lot. That one you gone. Where you say? Our own bartender. Alive. You hear that? See that? Remember, be your own bartender, not a spender. You understand? Stay where I stay there. You understand? Remember, you're a family, right? And what the cost? Cheap. So easy we do it, right? $30. You understand? Labor Day weekend, you know, say. Everybody a roll out for that one.
Labor Day weekend. You know, mad things. Stand them up.
Right now.
Posing.
Let them
come tell about it. Come here,
Labor Day weekend. Clippers. Roll out. More welcome family. See that now. Icebox 101. You see me? Yes, a family. You see me? You hear me? They got the clothes line in the car. You know, so that one I wear shoe out. Remember, you know. Road Rock. Merrick Boulevard. So if you don't know where, just check the world map.